Welcome back to the channel. It is day 24 now. If you didn't hear already, we did have another sale. We sold the little side table thing for 60 bucks with the trapezoid legs. So we are now up to $180. Today we're also gonna get done another set of tables. So we'll hopefully have those up for sale soon too. Thanks for tuning in, and we got lots of stuff planned for today. So stick around, and just watch. Thanks. Okay, so that's gonna be the end of day 24. It's just too cold in here for me to work, guys. So sorry about the shorter video, but it's looking warmer tomorrow, hopefully. So see you guys then.